No matter how much we try to take care of our Hyundai, life happens. When it does happen, you can make quick and easy repairs using the Hyundai Touch-Up Paint Pen. It's available at your authorized Hyundai dealership and will match the original paint of your Hyundai. The pen can repair both light scratches in the clear coat and deeper scratches that have removed the paint. It even comes with a fine sanding stick to help clear debris and rust if it has accumulated. To use the pen, you'll need a few supplies: some scrap cardboard and a paint-safe surface cleaner and cloth. If it's just the clear coat, you'll use the clear side of the paint pen. First, clean the surface. Next, shake the pen for 60 seconds to ensure the components are well mixed. Remove excess air from the pen by holding the clear side up, removing the cap, and pressing the tip downward with the top of the cap. You'll hear a little pop. Next, you'll need to activate the clear side of the pen. Tap the tip of the pen lightly and repeatedly on the cardboard until the clear coat flows to the tip. Once it has reached the tip, remove any excess liquid by dabbing the tip on the cardboard. Now, lightly dab the surface of the clear coat scratch to touch it up. Light coats are best. Do not drag the tip across like you would with a felt pen or marker. Once you've finished, replace the cap on the pen. The new clear coat will take 1 to 6 hours to dry, depending on temperature and humidity. If your scratch is deeper and has removed the paint, you'll need to touch up with paint before using the clear coat. But the steps are similar. First, clean the surface. Use the fine sanding stick to remove any debris or rust. Then clean the surface again to remove any debris or rust flakes. Next, shake the pen for 60 seconds. Remove excess air from the pen. Activate the pen. Remove any excess liquid. Then lightly dab the scratch with the paint tip to touch it up. Again, light coats are best. And again, do not drag the tip across like you would with a felt pen or marker. Once you've finished, replace the cap on the pen. The new paint will take 1 to 6 hours to dry, depending on temperature and humidity. Once dry, you can add the clear coat using the steps previously outlined. If you accidentally forget to replace the cap on the pen and the tip dries out, you can reactivate it. Wearing a protective glove, remove the felt tip from the pen and dip it into light automotive lacquer thinner to reactivate it. Or you can get a new tip from your authorized Hyundai dealership. For more information on your Hyundai, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at My Hyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to visit HyundaiHowTos.com, My Hyundai, and the Hyundai USA YouTube channel for more helpful videos for your Hyundai.